Since the foundation of Delta Group of Saudi Arabia in Riyadh, we set a goal to be the leaders in managing and executing the important projects in the kingdom. In order to achieve this goal, we worked on providing the appropriate work environment that stimulates creativity and innovation, and also to support the Saudian expertise to achieve excellence and add distinctive value to the national economy. The group contains a number of companies that operates in the important economic sectors and according to scientific and professional standards in order to operate in a complete synergy and as a united team. We contributed to apply technology in all of the group's projects for the count of a number of ministries, governmental institutions, as well as a number of the secretariats and municipalities of the kingdom. Throughout its career of hard work and generosity, our group achieved a number of national and international awards and many certificates that acknowledge and praise our respect for the international norms of quality. In addition, the company is ranking among the fastest growing companies in Saudi Arabia. And because we are a part of this world and we believe in collaborative work, our company created alliances with a number of international companies to bring prosperity to our society. In the field of supporting services, the group made sure to harness most of its capabilities in providing high-quality services. We had the honor to provide these services to a number of ministries and agencies in the kingdom. These services have been diversified in several fields, among which we cite surveillance security systems that covered many areas in the kingdom, transport services to private sector companies, as well as catering services, residential community services, secure warehouse storage, and provide ready-made concrete for contracting companies. The Saudi Delta has also been responsible for managing and organizing local and international events and conferences, as well as providing logistical support and participating in the organization of many activities and festivals held during national and religious festivals and cultural events. In the field of communication, the group have been able to lead the implementation of several mega projects in partnership with major telecom companies such as Aramco, Saudi Telecom Company, Mobily, and several related government entities. We have implemented many infrastructure projects in the telecommunications sector like transmission system, cellular telephone services, fiber optic and cable connections, long-distance networks in remote areas, in addition to IT solution and networks. Delta Saudi Arabia is also proud to be the first to invent the precise drilling method in the kingdom, starting with the Aramco project, the secretariats and municipalities implemented by the group. Among the projects that our group is very proud to implement is to calculate and upload to coordinates of the lightning network that provides the secretaries with precise information, lightning networks, and ensure the quality of the execution. We have also established a factory specialized in the production of reflective adhesive. This factory is equipped with the latest machines and equipment specially manufactured for the production of warning signs on roads, numbering and inventory of houses, as well as traffic signs and guidance, so that Delta Factory of Saudi Arabia can offer us high-quality products that bears harsh climate conditions and for a long period of time. As the group aspires to be a leader in all economic sectors, we have taken the lead in implementing several energy conservation projects throughout the Saudi Arabian Delta systems for rationalism, providing innovative energy-saving solutions that provides more than 35%, achieved by the localization of intelligent detection technology for elements of lightning network, where we created a platform to monitor and rationalize energy and road lighting system through control centers equipped with the system Delta Saudi Arabia for rationalization and remote control. In addition, the company has implemented many projects in the field of lighting, such as replacement of damaged lighting poles. The group worked on localization of LED technology implemented in the kingdom cities. The group contributed to the development of the hospitality sector in the kingdom and influenced by its investment operation and the establishment of a series of luxury restaurants such as Fayrouz Garden, Blue Garden, Al Basiro, as well as many brands like Atazaj and Broccoli restaurants, where we are keen to offer international brands with a professional staff to maintain high standards of quality, as well as a number of brands of the group that works in the field of hospitality. Delta Saudi Arabia is proudly the first company to produce environmental filters to industrial plants, and the equipment associated with these products produced in the group plants, designed according to the European system and environmental protection standards. Thanks to God, and with the support of a good leadership, we have the honor of pioneering the introduction of air filtration technology from the manufacturing processes in the cement factories and crushers, which in turn contributed to the preservation of environment and reduces the particles of dust caused by manufacturing processes and control of air pollution emissions. In the field of renewable energy, Delta Saudi Arabia has all the ingredients for success. We provide all engineering activities to supply and implement all renewable energy projects, such as solar street lighting, solar energy solution for agricultural projects, and construction of solar and wind power plants. Thus, we are able to provide alternative energy solutions for homes, hospitals, shopping malls, airports, factories, remote areas, and farms. The farm. In line with the Ministry of Environment, Water and Agriculture, the group has invested in the agricultural sector in order to achieve the objectives of the Kingdom's Vision 2030 in relation to the provision of food security. The group has sought to protect agricultural resources from pollution, produce organic foods, localize the ecotourism system, and use clean energy sources. Decoration. After every achievement, we celebrate all the occasions of the dear homeland through the implementation of urban decoration projects in national holidays, and we are keen to show the Kingdom cities the most beautiful suit to reflect the beauty, where we display giant screens with 3D technology showing stories of our heritage, in addition to decorating the streets of the Kingdom with lights and figures shining with joy every occasion dear to the homeland. Each year, the Kingdoms offers an honorable example in the management of the largest human gathering that meets in one place, where convoys of pilgrims from all parts of the world performs the ritual of Hajj and Umrah. So, we have worked in Delta Saudi Arabia to provide all Hajj and Umrah services, committed to providing high-quality services, as well as providing all the special needs for the visitors of Bayt al-Haram, and offering Umrah programs at various levels, including travel, accommodation, transportation, counseling, and other services. Our goal is to make a positive difference to our society. We not only provide excellent job opportunities, but also participate in building infrastructures. We seek to develop our community through technology localization, and we contribute to education, sport, and environment. Since the beginning, we had one idea: to be one of the pillars of the national economy. We are motivated to achieve this by passion for leadership. Delta Saudi Arabia. Passion for leadership.